Hello guys, welcome to my channel Makers of World. Sandeep here. Today we will discuss about DHCP server configuration. What is DHCP? DHCP means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it gives IP address automatically to clients who is requesting for an IP address, and it is centralized IP address management. DHCP prevents IP address conflicts and helps the, helps the use clients IP address on the network. DCP reduce the complexity and amount of adjustment work to assign TCP/IP to reduce the automatic to the client. So DCP is nothing but it will assign IP address automatically to the client systems. Today we will discuss about that. First, I will log into the server IP. Before configuring the DCP server, we will assign the IP address. See, here I have given IP address 10.0.0.10 and subnet mask is 255.0.0.0 and default gateway is 10.0.0.1. I have given preferred DNS is same as IP address 10.0.0.10. Click on OK. Now I have given IP address to our server. Now click on tools. Here you have add roles and users. Click on next. Select role based or feature based installation. Click on next. Here you can see our server name Microsoft Word and our IP address 10.0.10. 0.0.10. Click on next. Here we have to select DHCP server. Click on add features. Click on next. Leave this page as this and click on next. Click on next and click on install. It will take some much time to installation of DHCP server. You can see installation completed. Click on close. Here click on this flag button. Here you need to click on complete DHCP configuration. Here you need to click on next. Here you need to click on use alternate credential and specify this. Click on specify and I will log in as administrator. Click on OK. See here Microsoft Word/administrator. Click on commit. Here you can see creating security is done. Authorization DHCP server is done. Now you have to close this. Now you can see in left hand side DHCP server is configured. Here you can see Microsoft Word 10.0.0.10 IP address is assigned to your system. Right click on this. See this one. Right click on this and go to DHCP manager. Here you can see DCP and this is our domain Microsoft One.in. Here you can see IPv4, IPv6. I want to expand the IPv4 IP address. Right click on this and you to click on new scope and then click on next. Here I am assigning that IP name of the DHCP server. I am giving name as DHCP underscore Microsoft World. I am giving name as DHCP underscore Microsoft World. Click on next. Here I am assigning some IP address 10.0.0.15. I am giving range. I am giving range 15 to 10.0.0.50. I am giving range this and click on next. Here it is asking add exception or delay. Okay. Before that, I will need to tell you what is scope. Scope is nothing but range of IP address that are available to the leased to clients. Now leave this here. Click on next. Here also you leave this page here. Click on next. Here as I want to configure the options now. Click on next. Here it is asking default router IP. I am giving default router IP as our assigned IP address 10.10.0.0.10. Click on add and click on next. Here you can see parent domain name is Microsoft World.in and here we are having an IP at 10.0.10 and we can add also. I'm adding also 10.0.0.1. I'm adding that our default gateway also. Here where it is validity in DNS server IP 10.0.0.1. See, IP address is not valid DNS address. Do you still want to add? Because already we have added the DNS server. No. DNS server IP address is 10.0.0.10 and I have to click on next. Here we in server IP address, no need this. Click on next. Yes, I want to activate this scope now. Click on next. Click on finish. Now we have created the scope. See here, scope is there. Here, if you drop down, you have some folders are there. This is address pool. Address pool is nothing but have given the range 10.0.15 to 10.0.0.50, and you have to see address releases. Address releases is nothing but if any system is connected to this domain, that other tier system details and IP address will automatically came here. Here you can see scope options. Scope option you have router IP 10.0.0.10 and DNS server IP 10.0.0.10 and domain name is 10.0.0.10. And I click on this. You need to click on configure options. Here scroll down and I need to click on net voice over TCP/IP. Here I need to give the IP address. IP address is 10.0.0.10 and add this one and click on apply. Okay. See here having net voice over TCP 10.0.0.10. Now we have configured the DHCP server IP address. We have configured the DHCP server IP address. Now we have open run. Just update GP update because it is also nothing. If you do every time GP update, is no issues. It was done. Now I am logged into a client system. I have logged into my client system as Sandeep Vasam Chetty. First, we have to click on CMD. And type IP config. address. See, you are getting 10.0.0.11 because in previously we have assigned the IP address manually. So now I'm clicking on this. Here you click on edit. I have clicked on automatically IP address should be assigned. I need to admission to password. IP config. See, now you can able to see 10.0.0.15 IP address is assigned. Now we will check. We'll go to the server and we'll check whether the system is replicating or not. You need to go to the server, click on this, go to server manager, and, and we need to go to DHCP. Here right click and go to DHCP manager. Here I need to expand this IPv4. Here server options. Here scope is there, right? Here address pool is 50 to 50 and address list. See here address we need to see. Before it is not there. Before it is 10.0.0.15 and name is Sandeep.Microsoft1 as login into 24th one 10:57 a.m. Full access. You have full access. Everything. See this was the address pool. This was the concept. If any system is added to your domain, that all system details will address in here address. Okay, guys, this was the session about how DHCP will configured, how it will reflect, how we will check. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, please free to ask. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.